Hi folks, Dutchy from Dutchy Cooking here. As part of Cast Iron Wednesday's challenge for September, which is eggs, I'm going to be making this soft boiled egg with soldiers.
Yeah, came in 17. Damn. Let's turn up the heat.
I've just got a little cast iron pot I'm going to put onto the wood burning stove. I'm going to add half an inch of water to this only. I'm going to pop a lid on and we're going to bring it up to the boil. Once up to the boil, I'm just going to drop one egg in. I'm going to put the lid back on and we'll cook this for 5 minutes exactly. And also we're going to drop a slice of toast on the top. Now I know what you're saying, he's only boiling an egg. This is no egg. This is the super miracle cure for when we were all kids. When you had those days that you weren't feeling very well, your mum used to boil you a soft boiled egg and soldiers. No, it wasn't toast, it was soldiers. As soon as you had that, you were feeling 100% better, and that's why I'm calling it the childhood miracle cure. So we've got the toast, we've just turned it over a few times, we've browned each side, that's ready. We'll get it off and we'll get it buttered. The egg's still cooking away here. It's the steam at 100 degrees C that's cooking the egg, not so much the water. After 5 minutes, this egg is cooked. And look at that yolky goodness. This is Dutchy's soft boiled egg with soldiers.